Welcome to Lesson 4 of WP Rocket Minification and Optimization Techniques. In this video, we will learn how to optimize your website performance using WP Rocket. We will cover CSS, JS, and HTML minification, image optimization, and other key settings for speed improvement. First, go to the File Optimization, and here we can see the option of CSS files. To minify CSS, remove white spaces and comments to reduce the file size. You can check this Minify CSS file option here. If you want to optimize a CSS delivery, render blocking CSS for your website, you can check this Optimize CSS Delivery option here. After enabling the Optimize CSS Delivery option, we can get further options available. Remove and use CSS and load CSS asynchronously. Remove and use CSS per page and helps to reduce page size and HTTP requests. The CSS safe list allows you to specify CSS file names, IDs, or classes that should not be removed, one per line, and the second option is load CSS asynchronously. Here, you can generate the critical path CSS and load CSS asynchronously, and you can also do the settings for this with the alternative method. Go to the pages, go to any setting of your desired page, and on the right side, you can see the option of critical path CSS. When you click on this specific critical path CSS, it will generate a specific critical path for this post. The next option we can get is Java files. If you want to minify the JavaScript to remove white spaces and comments to reduce the file size, you can check this Minify Java file option. Then we have Load JavaScript Deferred. Load JavaScript Deferred eliminates render blocking JS on your site and can improve load time. You can check this option here. After enabling this option, we can get extra options. We can get the further options available to exclude the JavaScript file that specify the keywords of Java files to be excluded from defer, one line per page. Here, you can write the URL here with this format, with the WP content theme and some of your theme name and the asterisk. Now, if you want to delay the execution of JavaScript, you can check this option here. After checking this option, we can get further exclusion options. When using the delay JavaScript execution, you might experience delayed loading elements located in the viewport that need to appear immediately. For example, a slider, header, menu. If you need instant visibility, click on files that should not be delayed. This selection will help users interact with elements straight away. You can check your desired options from the list. In plugins, you can also check the plugins from here, and while hovering on the theme, you can also select the theme from here. Now, to exclude the Java files, you can write a specific URL here with this format. WP includes followed by your file manager path to the JavaScript file with the jQuery file name and Java query minified JavaScript file. After adding the URL here, click on Save Changes. Then we will move on to the media to lazy load images and dimensions. First, we have the option of lazy load. It can improve actual and perceived loading time as images, frames, and videos will be loaded only as they enter or about to enter the viewport, and reduces the number of HTTP requests. You can get three options here. Enable for images. You can check this option here. If you want to enable for CSS background images, you can check this option here. If you want to enable for frames and videos, you can check this option here. After checking this option, you can get a further option to replace YouTube iframe with a preview image. You can check this option here. To exclude images or frames, you can write specific keywords with a dimension with the image file name, CSS file name, and the class of the CSS. When you scroll down, if you want to add the missing image dimensions, check this option here. Now, after doing the settings, click on Save Changes. By that, WP Rocket optimization settings make it easy to improve website speed performance. Experiment with these features to find the best setup for your website. This wraps up Lesson 4 of WP Rocket Minification and Optimization Techniques.